If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe our channel and click on bell icon for all the latest updates.
Hello everyone, I am back with new video. In this tutorial I will be showing how to find the missing driver in Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and in 10. So let's go through the video. First of all, go to Google Chrome and search for drivereasy.com. I will give this link in the description. Okay, you can see here. Click on download now. I have already downloaded, so you can see here. It is downloading. Now it is finished and I'll open it. Yes, English. Select on custom and next. Select on express and next. And install. Okay, it is finished. Now you can see here driver easy icon on your desktop. Scan now to find the latest version of the driver. You can see here I can update those drivers. Those drivers are up to date. So that's it for now, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and like our video and keep supporting us. Thank you.